Hi and welcome to Wheelspedia. As one of the main English producers of sports and dashing cars, Lotus is generally renowned for its profoundly fruitful group Lotus Equation 1 Hustling Group. Settled at the previous site of RAF Hethel, the second Great Wall landing strip in Norfolk, Britain, Lotus plans and makes race and creation autos that brag exact taking care of and a lightweight form. The organization additionally possesses Lotus Designing, a consultancy organization with areas situated in the US, Malaysia and China. The parent organization of Lotus is DRB Highcom, which gained the car producer in 1996 from Romano Artioli following a devastating insolvency. Since 1952, Lotus has created probably the quickest and most delightful cars on the planet. There are many fine Lotus car models, yet these are the 10 best at any point assembled. 7 car. Planned by established Colin Chapman, the Lotus 7 was fabricated from 1957 to 1972. As the organization's advancement model, the 7 car followed an assortment of hustling, model and limited scope creation cars before the last dispatch in 1957. The 7 had a basic and lightweight development and, because of its high driving allure, made it a prompt achievement. In 1973, Caterham Cars, an enormous scope Lotus 7 arrangement in the 1960s, bought the rights to fabricate this model and all connected 7 product offerings. The network show, The Detainee, from the 1960s put this model on the map as the primary person is driving the car during the initial title. Elite. Created somewhere in the range of 1958 and 1963, the first Lotus Elite highlighted a fiberglass monocoque body shell and appeared in 1957. This particular model is constantly recognized as being one of the top quality Lotus cars at any point created by the organization. Envisioned here is the Lotus Elite SOT 14. Elan. In 1962, the Lotus Elan car was dispatched to supplant the Elite. This was the primary model accessible in 2 unique structures, roadster and car. The Elan further used Lotus' renowned utilization of a lightweight spine steel case which keeps on being executed into cutting-edge models. Cortina. During the 1960s, Lotus teamed up with another significant car producer, Passage, to make the Cortina Mk1. Delivered somewhere in the range of 1963 and 1966, the car highlighted a 1557cc motor which was subsequently used to create 105 bhp. This model was fitted with another suspension framework and close proportion gearbox. Different segments, like the lightweight amalgam entryways, hat and boot boats were likewise fixed. Along these lines of any remaining Lotus cars, the Cortina Mk1 was painted white with a greenish stripe with an end goal to stay on brand. Europa. Dispatched in 1966 and appearing that very year, the Lotus Europa car is a mid-motor model with restricted version JPS tobacco uniform as an accolade for Lotus Recipe 1 achievement. In leftover reliable with other Lotus autos, the Europa ended up being an unimaginable model that pulled in various purchasers and keeps on being a profoundly pursued model among devotees all throughout the planet. Esprit Car Series 1. As perhaps the most unmistakable names in the Lotus family, the Esprit Car Series 1 supplanted the Europa in 1975. This model proceeded with creation from 1975 to 1979 and has been utilized in the James Bond film, The Government Agent Who Cherished Me. This specific Lotus model has been alluded to as the Swimming Esprit. During the time where it was delivered, numerous aficionados and relaxed car sweethearts were intrigued with the plan. For other people, this is the model that caused them to turn into a long-lasting Lotus fan. Esprit V8. In 1996, Lotus chose to totally update their Esprit line with another V8 model that was more current-looking. This plan was totally not the same as the first look of the cars. The Esprit V8 used an all-aluminum motor that highlighted twin turbochargers. Gossip had it that the aluminum motor was designed to ensure the car's powerless Renault transaxle. Obviously, the organization has never remarked on this allegation. Elise. During the 1990s, a portion of the fast Lotus cars were going through normal motor issues that started to cause issues for the organization's main concern. Along these lines, the Lotus Elise car stepped in and saved the circumstance. Delivered in an assortment of structures with numerous motor choices, like the Toyota unit and Meanderer parts. The Lotus Elise car dispatched in 1996 and has gotten customary restorative and specialized updates since that time. When contrasted with the past models, the Elise pulled in numerous purchasers who have watched the development of this model over numerous years. Evera. As probably the furthest down the line expansion to the Lotus organization, the Evera formally dispatched in 2009 and extended the scope of models with a more upmarket variant that flaunts better taking care of. Better, greater and a sleeker, more present-day body. The Evera can be requested in two unique formats, 2 or 4 seat, and has gotten various honors among specialists and aficionados the same. This is fundamentally because of the car's exact taking care of and directing. The Toyota Source 3.5-liter V6 motor is viewed as truly outstanding in its group and gives amazing execution. Exige. That carries us to the best Lotus car at any point constructed. Since 2000, Lotus has fabricated various cars inside the Exige line, which are all high-performing form of the Elise. Models inside the Exige line are fitted with different kinds of undercarriage, have numerous motor corrective and motor changes equipped to proprietors, and keep on working on this model as innovation propels. The objective is to make the Exige the best on a racetrack. Lotus' latest model, the Exige S, was dispatched in mid-2014 and components a supercharged 3.5-liter V6 motor which produces 345 bhp and can arrive at 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Since 1952, the Lotus organization has been quite possibly the most notable car makers on the planet when delivering hustling cars. The numerous models that have been planned, delivered and dispatched have wowed the majority for a long time. Regardless of going through monetary difficulties at specific focuses during the organization's residency, the latest models are probably the best that the organization has at any point created. This is a fantastic sign that Lotus will keep on assembling top-caliber, elite vehicles later on. Please share this video with car lovers and subscribe our channel for more videos.